Hey there, my beautiful Leos. Welcome back to another reading where we are looking at where you are, where your person is, what the connecting energy is, and what advice the universe has for us. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for all your lovely watches. I really do appreciate it, and I really do appreciate you. So let's start with you. Let's see where you are, where your energy is at right now. And then we look at where your person's energy is at and what the connecting energy is. All right, so please give me 3 cards of where 8 of Cups, 10 of Cups, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. So that's where you are. Let's see where your person is at, and then we're going to look at this. So your person's energy is, let's get 3 cards for you, for your person's energy. The 5 of Cups, oh wow, okay, we got a few sliding out, and at the bottom of the deck they have the 5 of Cups. Okay, so we have, for them we have the 5 of Cups, the 5 of Pentacles, the 4 of Pentacles, and the 6 of Swords. Okay, for you we had the 8 of Cups, the 10 of Cups, and the Knight of Wands in reverse. All right, so let's see what the connecting energies are, and then we just dive right in. 3 cards please for the connecting energies. 3 cards please for the connecting energies. One more. Thank you. Okay, at the bottom of your connecting energy, we have the 10 of Swords. So that's the bottom of the energy for the connecting energy. We have the 4 of Cups for your person's bottom energy. And for you, we have the 4 of Pentacles. Interestingly, they also have the 4 of Pentacles. Okay, my beautiful Leos. The connecting energy, we have the Justice, the 8 of Cups, and the 7 of Cups. Okay, so what I'm feeling is that, someone is feeling like they have put in so much energy. I am getting so much strife over here for you, my beautiful Leos. And starting with you, it's like you've been in this connection for a while, and you love being in this connection. You absolutely love it, because then it gives you a lot of happiness, and you see a future in it. But there has been some strife that has gotten you to a point where it's like you're tired of holding this light, you're tired of holding a candle. You just want, it's like you want things to come out of the daylight. You want you are walking towards sunshine. You want things to come out, and you want things to be where they were, because then right now things are just full of strife, no passion, nothing. It's like things have died down. And interestingly, your person is feeling the same thing. They have the 5 of Cups, the 5 of Cups, the 5 of Pentacles, and the 4 of Pentacles. They are also feeling the same thing. I don't know what has happened, because then they also want, same like you, they want to go back to where things were. They are tired of struggling. They are absolutely tired of struggling. And your connecting energy is, it's like the 2 of you want balance back. You absolutely want balance back, and you want to leave that. You are emotionally exhausted. I can feel the exhaustion from the 2 of you. But interestingly, what I love is that you don't, it's like you are still not ready to give up on this. You've put in so much work that the 2 of you are not ready to give up on this. And even with the pain that the 2 of you are feeling, even with everything that the 2 of you are feeling, you feel like there's a chance for balance. The 2 of you actually feel like there's a chance for balance on this one. And that is really good. And your person is here attempting, they do love you. They really absolutely care for you, my beautiful Leos. They really do love you. And you can see them presenting this cup. It's like, look at this. At the bottom is what you don't see. The bottom of the deck is normally what you don't see. I read it as what you don't see, the energy that you're not seeing. So what you're not seeing, my beautiful Leos, is that your person is striving so hard to give you this cup. Look at this. Ace of Cups, a cup being given to you, and the Knight of Cups. It's like they are it's like they want to make peace. Your person wants to make peace. I don't know what happened between the two of you, but you have been in this energy. I think you do care, and I love that you do care about this person, but for something happened that is making you feel, that has made you withdrawn. It has actually made you feel like, I can't do this anymore, and you're withdrawing. And it's okay for you to withdraw. Sometimes when the energy is too intense, it's okay to withdraw. But what you don't see is this: your person trying to wanting peace again, because I think once you withdraw, once you held back your energy, they felt it. They actually did feel left in the cold. They can feel the freeze. They can feel so much freeze, and they are scared of losing you. You are everything to them. They want to hold on to you so absolutely tightly. And maybe this you don't understand, because however they present themselves, maybe right now they're presenting themselves as wanting to control you or wanting to hold on to you way too tightly. That's how I'm feeling that they're presenting themselves to you. But honestly, all they want is to get away from the choppy waters. They just want to get out of that water. And that is this. If only they could be able to present this properly, this is what they would like you to know. They are here giving you this cup and wishing and hoping and praying that you're going to take it, that you're going to take this cup from them, and that you're going to accept them back to how they are. And for you, the bottom of the deck energy is the Four of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Six of Wands. There you are, my beautiful Leo. You want to be celebrated. You want someone who actually takes care of you, takes control of things, who is not necessarily controlling, but knows what they want, and they are taking care of you, they are celebrating you, and you want that balance back. Because honestly, Leo, you do see the magic in this connection. You absolutely do see the magic in this connection. It's like the connection that you've been waiting for such a long time, and you've already formed such a strong foundation, and you know this guy has the ability to bring balance in your life, and you know they mean everything to them. And there you are. Look at this. There is the Ace of Cups at the bottom of what they don't see, or what you can't even begin to admit to yourself. So absolutely, you want new beginning. You just want to let go of things. You want things to clear out, because then you're tired. You are absolutely tired. But what I love is that you are willing to put in the work. So honestly, here, especially with you feeling such a strong foundation, and you knowing that this is something that you've been waiting for such a long time, I love it. And you know that this person has the ability to bring balance to you, and you love them. You really do care about them, and you know that all you want to do is a beautiful new beginning. Same thing. This is it. This is exactly what they want as well, because your person is magic. You know that there is such a potential for long term. It's only that things have become so unfair. I don't know where the unfairness came from, my beautiful Leos, but what I can tell you is that your person and you wanting to be celebrated, interestingly, you want things to move forward the way things were before. You want things to go back to the way they were before, and there's a chance for them to go back to the way they were before. Your question has been, will things ever go back to how they were before? And my answer to you is yes, they will definitely go back to where they were before. All you needed to know, all you needed to understand is that the two of you are exhausted, but then the two of you are willing to work on this connection. You are absolutely willing to work on. It's like the two of you are crying inside, but even in those tears, you don't want to let things go. And I think whatever it is that has happened here is bringing out the thing about the two of you needing balance. There's something that you need to figure out how to balance this connection such that one person is not feeling like they're giving too much, or they're receiving too much, or someone is not feeling like they're being left in the cold. That is it. So let me see what Spirit has for you, what spirit messages are there for you, my beautiful Leos. I'm so sorry for everything that you've gone through, but I can tell you for a fact, your person adores you. Your person definitely adores you. Let me pick for you some messages. Door to Spirit. Strategy, and Broken Heart in reverse. Okay, so let's see from this other deck. We'll pick that one right now. One more. You know, let me pick for you one more since we said one more. Oh my God. And I love that I decided to continue. Let me pick this one. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's start with this one. Door to spirit. What I'm feeling is that there's a reason why you are attracted to this reading. And what you're being told is that, and remember when I was asking what your spirit team has for you, they want to tell you that things are okay. Listen very, very carefully. And the strategy right now is to journal what you're feeling. I love this journal log card. It's to journal what you're feeling and to actually express what you're feeling, because then that matters a lot. We have the the broken heart in reverse. And this means that whatever it is that the two of you have been going through, there is this is not the end. It might feel so absolutely painful, and it actually jumped across over here, and it is things are not, this is not the end. You're being told that this is not the end, my beautiful Leos. And let me show you something. Remember, we had some Fool card coming up for your person wanting a new beginning. Look at this. A new start is coming. Expect powerful change. A win-win outcome is forecast. My beautiful Leo, you have gone through strife, you have been arguing with your person, you've been having all this conflict, but what I can tell you is that the both of you are tired. Spirit is tired of seeing you in pain, and things are going to work out. It's time for you actually to, your person is going to be coming in with all these small things that don't look like much. They look like they are being possessive, or they look like they are being all over you. But remember what I told you, deep down, they just want to tell you that they are giving you all their love. Let me show you something else that I hadn't even seen. That it's you they have selected. You're the person that they have selected, my beautiful Leos, and they are willing to do whatever it takes to be with you, to have you, and to have a really powerful connection with you. I love that. I truly do love that. It's been my honor to do this reading for you. This has been really, really amazing, and thank you so much for dropping in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.